Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Python 3, Different Ways of Writing a Print Statement. Introduction. Printing in Python is a fundamental task used for debugging, outputting information to the console, and more. In Python 3, there are several ways to write a print statement, each with its unique capabilities and use cases. In this tutorial, we will explore various ways of using the print statement in Python 3, along with code examples. Conclusion. In Python 3, there are multiple ways to write a print statement to suit various requirements. Whether you want to print simple text, format strings, or redirect output to a file, Python offers versatile options for displaying information. Understanding these different techniques will help you effectively communicate information in your Python programs. ChatGPT.